Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Wednesday, May 24th, and we're going to take a look at bonds and what's going on here. Bonds are jumping up a little bit after the FOMC minutes announcement just came out here at 2 o'clock. But I want to talk about what led into this little bounce we've had here in bonds, because initially this morning they were selling off, coming down off of this bearish engulfing candle right here on 60-minute price chart. So what happened here is, you know how we talk about, and I've talked about this in previous price action trading series, but I'm going to cover it again today because it's important. Paying attention to how a market reacts when it's breaking through support or resistance. So we had support in bonds down at 153 and 5/32 from yesterday's pivot low. All right, we came down and we sat on top of it for an hour, sat on top of it for another hour, and then we broke through it and bounced back up and closed above it. Now this candle right here is called a Dragonfly Doji. That's a bullish reversal candle, okay, suggesting that it should go higher, which is what ended up happening here. It jumped higher. Okay, now you know it's a Dragonfly Doji. The way you know that candle pattern is what it is because you'll have a long wick to the downside and a close right next to the open, right at the very top of the range, just like you see here. So that's a perfect example of a Dragonfly Doji. And you take that combined with the fact that you have around the stops, you broke through support, bounced back up and closed above it. That suggests a bullish move is coming, and then it ended up jumping higher. Now, to take it one step further, you can drill down, and if you look at a 30-minute price chart, the same exact thing happened here on the 30s. Broke through, bounced back up, close above. Broke through, bounced back up, close above. Two different times it had an opportunity to run on the support break, and it couldn't. Okay, so be aware of that. Be paying attention to how markets move when they're breaking support or resistance. The other thing is, you're probably going, well, if you had a Dragonfly Doji the bar previous, this first one, how come you didn't get in on the next bar, get stopped out, and then have it run? Well, remember, there's two parts to every trade. There's a setup, and then there's the signal. The setup is why we think it should go up or down. The signal is when we actually pull the trigger and get long or short, right? In the case of a Dragonfly Doji, or any candlestick pattern really, or most of them, we're looking for a break above the high of that candle to trigger. So it didn't trigger until this up bar here. All right, everybody, that's all I have for you for today. I will see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. As usual, don't forget to click that button to subscribe in the bottom right-hand corner. And also, if you haven't already done so, go watch the other price action trading videos. I'll link some of them here on the bottom left-hand corner. So that's it for today. And until next time, happy trading.